I've really been enjoying adding wild foods to my diet. It's so fun to walk out in the yard and gather and use plants that I didn't know anything about just a couple months ago. I've heard that wild plants contain so many more nutrients than the cultivated plants we consume, so I'm imagining my body growing healthier and happier with each thing I eat, or drink in this case. I've been trying to get out into the forest more often now that things have become so green and beautiful. This past week I brought the doggies along with me because I found a hiking spot with a wide road where I can keep them away from poison ivy, snakes, and other dogs. I don't get much of a reaction from poison ivy, but I really don't want them rubbing it all over their fur because I like to kiss their faces. We just got caught in a rainstorm. And I absolutely love the rain. The only thing that concerned me was the thunder. I mean, not the thunder. The thunder concerned Frida. The lightning concerned me, especially because we were hiking under a bunch of really tall trees, and I just did not want to chance that. So we made it safely to our car, and yeah, that was really wonderful. After returning home, I dried off a bit and then had some of my cleaver infused water. Then I took a walk down to the beautiful creek. Last weekend, my friend Michele came for another visit and we went for a beautiful hike. We saw so many butterflies, and the swallowtails were feeding off of something on the road. We also saw giant millipedes and other creatures that escaped our cameras. And then midway through the hike, we saw this gorgeous waterfall. I absolutely love the amount of water here in North Carolina. Speaking of water, it's been raining a lot all week long. And poor baby Frida absolutely hates thunderstorms, so I distract her with peanut butter Kongs. Maggie used to hate thunder too, but she can't really hear very well anymore, so she just gets peanut butter for the fun of it.
Do you feel better now that the storm is gone? I love you. Feeling better?
During Michele's visit last weekend, we got the craving for a bonfire, so we went to the store and I bought the last fire pit they had in stock. I've missed fire so much. Controlled fire, that is. I developed such a special relationship with fire in Colorado because for 7 months of the year I used my wood stove daily to help heat my cabin. The rental I've been in since the fall doesn't have a fireplace or wood stove, so I really missed that connection this winter. This fire I built for the full moon eclipse last weekend, and I sat in front of it journaling about some things that I want to release. And then when the eclipse started, I did my best to capture it. It was cloudy for the first part of it, but the clouds finally parted. The video I took is unfortunately pretty grainy because I didn't properly prepare for the shoot, but it still looks pretty neat. It was such a magical thing to see. That's all I have to share for this week. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.